Okay, so checking out what is happening in the market. I mean, if you guys are out there seeing what's going on, individual stocks are running when they can, and the indexes are kind of pinned, getting real choppy. This is sort of a market where either it's rotation happening or a trend shift is about to happen. Anyways, it doesn't matter to us because we're just going to look at this Tickeron prediction engine. We're going to see what it says. And what I love about it is you can come in here to this advanced search. So you just go to AI trading up here at tickeron.com, go to the website. You can check this out for yourself. AI trading, click on the AI trend prediction. Go to the advanced search, find the asset class you want to use. In this case, I'm using stocks. I'm not doing any of the filters here for price range, market cap, or volume. And in this case, you can change the confidence level of the actual artificial intelligence engine. You can change that confidence level and to filter your results. So if we change this down to say to 47% confidence or just 50% confidence, you can see there's a ton of search results. I'm not really interested in sifting through that many. So in this case, I only want the cream of the crop here. So there actually ends up being about 51. And along those lines, we're going to just pick the ones with the highest confidence level. So, you can pick 4, you can pick 5 or 6. In this case, I'm just going to pick 2. So what you can do is click on the actual ticker and pull up the website here to go and check it out. So you've already done that here, but I'm going to do it again. So in this case, we're picking this guy here. So I'm going to pick a bullish play, and then we're going to pick a bearish play with 90% confidence here. So we're going to check this guy out here. So we click on it, open it up, and now we can go in and see the stats, the predictions, those kind of things to see if this is something that we want to purchase. On the long side, looking for, and what I like about this is on the long side, we're going to see that there is a 90% confidence to buy. It was bullish yesterday. Target has not been reached. Let's look at the previous predictions. 4 days ago, 88% target hit. 3 days, August 3rd, 88% target was hit. Small targets in that case, so I don't know if that one counts. August 2nd, bullish, 88% target was hit. So we can be fairly confident here that when this ticker is hitting on the AI prediction engine, that is likely to hit the target. So success, odds of success 90%, target 2%. Same thing on the downside for a bearish play. If you're more into shorting stuff, you could definitely find some shorts here. So we've got an 86% confidence. That's where the target has not been reached. It's a little bit harder to short, especially right now. So I might not be as interested in shorting this as I would be in buying the other thing. But target was hit twice here as well with lower confidence than it has right now. So you can be fairly confident here that you could hit 2% to the downside with this NEOG. But we're going to look at the bullish play. And so we can come in here and what it'll do is lay out the bullish trend analysis so you don't have to go chart it. So this is, again, why I like this. It's so easy. You don't have to chart it. You can just come in here and look at it. This is what I've always liked about Tickeron, is it gives you a summary. Now, for folks that don't like to read, that might be a problem. But if you're interested in getting the full rundown with back-tested results, so for example, let's just say this 10-day moving average crossed bullishly over the 50-day. That was a common signal for people, the 10-day over the 50-day. That's part of a trend system. They call it the system, actually, where it's just really just the 10 over the 50. Anyway, so that's your first blurb here, is the 10 over 50. That happened on July 26th. This indicates the trend has shifted higher and could be considered a buy signal. In 1 out of 1 past instances, the stock moved higher over the following month. So this is why this thing is calculating at 90% odds. But you can also filter that out as well. So following the 6.3% 3-day advance, the price is estimated to go further. This happened 27 out of 32 cases. So that the odds here, 84%. So you got a 90% for a 1 out of 1. You got a little bit more of a sample size here, 27 out of 32. And then you got the Arun indicator, a very popular momentum indicator, trend indicator. And this is signaling an uptrend, 21 out of 24 cases. This P3 or PIII in Arun's indicator entered uptrend, 88%. So we got some pretty good bullish signals coming across the board. Bearish. You got the bearish signals coming in. RSI indicator, which I personally think is garbage. But if you're an RSI indicator type of person, you got the analysis here. So basically demonstrating that the ticker has stayed overbought for 4 days. The longer it stays. So there's no statistics here for the bearish. So I wouldn't even think about considering this. In 4 days, 5 days, how long can RSI stay overbought? Everybody that has been trading for a while knows that RSI can stay overbought for very long periods of time. It's more of a momentum indicator versus an overbought, oversold. That's a myth in my opinion. Stochastics, another archaic sort of garbage, reversal indicator. Again, this one's saying that it's been overbought for 14 days. Now, this is just kind of a warning, I guess. Like, hey, do I want to buy into, maybe an extended rally? But you also have, you got the statistics on your side with the bullish play. And then you've got Bollinger Band, another reversal type of indicator that's showing a possible sign that the stock could drop. But there's no statistics here to back these up. So these are just kind of warnings. Okay, then you've got a nice little summary of everything. So you got bullish trend 5, 88% odds, bearish trend 3, 87% odds. We can look at more of that. And if you want to look at fundamental analysis, Tickeron actually has a nice little scoring system for fundamental analysis. So you can see the price growth 38, which is 1 out of 100, 38, in the upper half, almost in the upper quartile. And then you got Tickeron valuation rating, which is 43. Again, the same kind of thing, upper half of its peers, essentially. So you're buying a pretty decent company here. Something's happening here where it's getting super bullish. Definitely something to look at. This is going to be something I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. And we're going to be kind of looking at the price action and seeing if we can get a decent entry. You can see when earnings are coming up. You can see, sort of what's the deal with this company here. You got news, volume analysis, fundamental analysis. You get the full works, all from a quick search in the AI predictions engine. Anyways, if you want to know more about this, please go check it out on Tickeron.com and use my link in the description. And we'll see you next time. Peace.